And we have some more breaking news coming in from West Bengal. This time, a Trinamool Congress MLA Baishali Dalmia has now been expelled from the party 2 weeks back. In an exclusive interview to Republic, she had warned the party about a possible group of termites who are rotting the party. Let's go across to my colleague Shumon Ray now joining us with more on the Shumon. This was in a way an expected move by the TMC because remember, she had come out in a way critiquing the manner in which the party has been functioning so far.
Well, it's no surprise because in the last 2-3 weeks we have been seeing that similar things is happening. Anyone from the party is questioning and raising any issue within the party or in the functioning of the government. He or she is completely isolated first, ignored, and in some cases even colleagues. As many leaders in the past have referred that they have been completely sidelined, and some people within the party are acting against them. So in this case, the party, the TMC, has taken a disciplinary note and expelled her. It was in the waiting because neither she was gelling well with the party, and the party was not. The party was completely ignoring her. So in a way, the party, the TMC, are now completely inflicted with inner fighting and people leaving the party. It is no surprise that someone has been expelled, or she would have left the party in any case.
Absolutely. In fact, Shumon, another short question from you. Quoting from what exactly she had stated when she had spoken to Republic, she stated that there were backbiters, backstabbers and silent killers who are trying to finish the party from within, and she was herself shocked in the manner in which one after the other we saw how MLAs and party workers were leaving the TMC.
Well, absolutely, because this inner fighting and backbiting has been continuing. A doesn't know what B is doing, and B doesn't know what C is doing. So clearly, there is no coordination. There is an absolute leadership crisis because most of today the third minister of TMC has resigned. So this is a telling part on the way the government is functioning. The chief of the government is not doesn't know anything about how the ministers are doing, what is the condition of the minister, and if the minister is raising any issue, he or she is completely sidelined, and the chief minister is saying that these people who are leaving.
All right, Shumon, stay with us. We'll also go across to my colleague Anuj now joining us with more on this, who had spoken to this particular leader as well. Remember, Anuj, you had spoken to MLA Baishali Dalmia when she had critiqued her own party, stating that there were certain termites within the party who are rotting the party as well, and now she has been expelled.
Well, exactly. That's something what we are understanding and what we are seeing, that what is happening within the Trinamool Congress party. Whosoever will speak at the party will be facing this kind of action. And that's something what we are seeing because she has been expelled now. And that's in our exclusive interview, she was stating the same, that how she has been sidelined. And if the condition remains the same, then Trinamool Congress party will be facing something else in the upcoming election. Then the result would not be in the favor of Trinamool Congress party. And we do understand what is happening. Today only itself, the minister of Trinamool Congress party has left the party and and the sources are saying he'll be joining hand with the party. On the other hand, this is leaders after leaders who are leaving DD and joining hand with Bharatiya Janata Party. So just before the election in the poll-bound state of West Bengal, the condition remains the same, and the ground reality remains the same. When the leaders whosoever will be speaking against DD will be facing this kind of charges, will be facing this kind of reaction that they will be expelled. Same happened with Subhendu Adhikari also, let me remind you. When Subhendu Adhikari left, his brother was expelled first, his brother was removed from the post. After that, his father was removed from the post. So this is, again, the kind of politics which is being seen in Trinamool Congress, and this is the repetition of the same what we are seeing at this point in time. And yes, this was stated by Subhendu Adhikari also when we talked to him in our exclusive interview, that this is now working as an company. This is chairman and MD who are ruling a company, and that's something what has been stated.
All right, stay with us. We